Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change refresh rate on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the refresh rate allows you to adjust the display quality and performance of your device. By selecting a higher refresh rate, you can experience smoother motion, reduce motion blur, and improve visual clarity, especially when viewing fast-paced content or animations. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To access the motion smoothness settings on your device, start by opening the settings menu. Okay, within the settings, select the display option. And from the display settings, choose the motion smoothness menu. And here you will find two options available. The first option offers smoother animations and scrolling by adjusting the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. On the other hand, the second option provides longer battery life with a 60 Hz refresh rate. For enhanced visual experience and fluid motion, selecting the first option or the highest refresh rate is recommended. Once you have made your choice, click on Apply to save the changes and optimize the display settings according to your preferences. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change refresh rate on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.